Hey guys, Lila's Tools here, and we have a treat especial for you today. This video is graciously supplied by OLSA Tools, and, well, let's bring it in here. This is a big box in my hand. We got some goodies from OLSA. We're going to go over them. Some of these I have experience with previous, some of I don't. We're going to give an overview, and let's just get right into it. So, also really outdid themselves this time. They sent me lots of awesome stuff. Wow. Just take this stuff out, set it out, and we'll get into it. So I'm going to just put it off to the side here. So let's go over some of these items. This is the OLSA Tools bit holder. We don't need the knife for that guy. Here it is. It is magnetic. Good magnet. Not super strong, but also not weak at all. See how it holds a bit. Nice. Holds with magnetic. So you could put this under top of your top box or whatnot if you needed to. There's a spot so you could hold something larger. Maybe not that guy. Hold on. You could put your 1/4 to 3/8 in there, just like that. So you got that always ready. Populate this with bits, short, long, whatever you see fit. Good magnet. So there's that guy. Let's stick him right here. Look at that. I like that contrast, the red on the blue. Oh, you guys outdid yourself, OLSA. Thank you very much. Here is a product that I've raved about before, with good reason, because it is just simply an excellent product. Now, I'll never shill out, guys, and if something is garbage, I'll always tell you. And, but this is not one of those products by any means. If we do a quick pan up, you could see all my screwdrivers there, nut drivers. See these rails here. That is what we have right here. These are not magnetic, so you could sit it flat, but what it's meant to do is mount onto a wall or a flat surface or whatnot. These pegs move up and down and they swivel 360 degrees. And what OLSA has this as is a wrench holder. So here's a Williams super wrench. So just show you how this works. That goes in there, and these hold. I've tested these. These hold 1.25" long handle wrenches, no problem. They're awesome, but they are super versatile. They will hold wrenches. They will hold screwdrivers. There's a snap-on driver. Let's just populate this with a few things here. I'll just show you how versatile it can be. These clips, they will expand really far. If you look up there, we have a 9/16 nut driver, also a 13mm on the far end. The plastic does expand, and it will stay to that size if you expand it really far like that. But for standard shank screwdrivers and wrenches, everything is just fine. So I'll put this guy in there so you can get an idea. So you can mount that on your wall, have whatever you like on there. Just stand like that. Look at that. Also included is a couple of little drywall plugs and 2 zinc-plated Phillips head screws. And a sticker. Who doesn't love stickers? Sit that guy there. There we go. Okay. Now we're into things that, well, this I haven't experienced before. This I have. This I can tell you right now. Check in the description of my video. I'll have a discount code for OLSA Tools. Go on their site, pick you up one of these, or any product you think you'd like from them. They're great tools, and they're great people. Also, just so you guys know, OLSA Tools is a Canadian company. They're located out of Alberta, Canada, Nisku to be exact. Not far from me, and well, Canadian business, we need all the help we can get right now. So, do support them. So, yes, we'll get to it. Hold on. Next up, this is very similar to what we just looked at, but not the same, mind you. Oh, and by the way, these rails here, this is plastic with a magnet strip. This is an anodized aluminum. Here we have, pardon me, another wrench rack, wrench tray, wrench holder, what have you. Also another sticker. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that metal, that's from my bench here. Look at that. So we got a foam base. These do not swivel. Oh, look at that. This is beefy. And this one is, in fact, magnetic. So this is for your roll cart. Stick this up on the side, and well, there you go. What a beauty. Look at that. And these do slide. I believe you could pop these end caps off, take them off, add more if you needed. It's pretty well populated as is. That's just gorgeous. So, we'll stick that guy over here. There it is. And just for funsies, what can we put on there? Show some things. So here we have a tri-hex key. Stick this guy in there. We have a pick. Stick this guy in there. Oh, that magnet is nice. And punch. You can stick that in there. There we go. Look at that. Okay, next up, more organization from OLSA. This is their red anodized aluminum socket rails. Also, I will list all the part numbers in the description. There's the part number for this right there, ALSRRD, or that or that. I'm not sure, but I will list all the part numbers to this. And like I said, discount code in the description below. Whew. Okay, quarter, 3/8, half. Let's take a look at this half. So again, red anodized aluminum. It's strong, it's not bending. These have a ball detent. We have a MAC socket. Clips on good. That's not coming off. You could wall mount this. You could leave it in the top of your box. You could literally do whatever you wish with this. That is sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It doesn't matter, guys. These are awesome. Look at that. And also, if you guys want to see more long-term, more in-depth, I'll have pictures and videos and whatnot of all this OLSA stuff on my Instagram. I'll link to that also in the description below, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. We did get another OLSA tool sticker. And what do we do with these guys? Well, you know what? Let's just sit them right on top of this magnet because it's strong enough for that. Get them out of the way temporarily. I'm excited to fill these all up and see what kind of organizational changes we can make at the shop, because you can never be organized. Remember, time is money. Even a DIYer like me, I get a job here and there where a guy is paying me, and it doesn't matter what trade you're in. If you get the job done quicker and you still get the job done well, people are happier, and they'll come back and they'll pay you again for other jobs. Also, thank you again for this. Da, 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 da. Look at this, guys. This is the OLSA tools. Is this heavy enough? No, hold on. I want to weigh this down so that we can get a good look at everything here. All this will do. Big piece of pipe. it's almost too heavy. Oh, goodness. There. Nothing wrong with the case. I just want to be able to display it well for you guys. So, I'll tell you right now, this is a quality wrench. This weighs as much as half-inch drive 250 foot-pound torque wrenches that are twice as long. This is well made. It is of a very sort of a snap-on proto style. This is a 3/8 drive torque wrench. Not coarse teeth, not fine. Perfect for a torque wrench. Goes in both directions. It has a quick release. And that's not a problem, as this torque wrench is only rated up to 80 foot-pounds. So, go down. So, let's see. We're going to do drain plug bolts, which are usually rated around 20-some. Right there. I don't know if you guys can make that out. We are at 20 foot-pounds. This goes up in 0.5 foot-pound increments. Wrong way. There. And I'll just show you how it's our socket retention. Proto socket, brand new. Quick release. It's not going anywhere. This is a well-built wrench. I wish you guys could feel this in your hand. Cool end cap there. It's great. This knurl, it's not super deep, but it's very grippy. My hands are kind of slippery. They got some wax on them, and they're still gripping on there. There's no flex up here in the head. This pin with the circlip there. It's nice and tight. It's just the lock here, and that's locked until you let that go. And yeah, I'll definitely have more videos on this guy. This is absolutely amazing. And let's just take a quick look at our paperwork for it. See how we're rated. You see, there's what we have. So there's that guy. And here, so this was calibrated in was that October? And yeah, 10 to 80 foot-pounds. These are min-max on our readings. They set it to 16 foot-pounds. They got a minimum of 15.4 and a max of 16.6. So very accurate. 48, we got 46.1 to 49.9, and at 80 foot-pounds, we got 76.8 to 83.2. So I believe that's within 4%. And their calibration of their testing equipment is plus minus 1% at 20 degrees. So this is good and calibrated by Bruce. Thank you very much, Bruce. And thank you to OLSA Tools. Again, links to all the products in the description below, a link to my Instagram, and as well as I'll link to OLSA's main page. There'll be lots of links, guys. They'll be all nicely labeled in the description below. We got a polyethylene high density, I believe that is. And it is a plastic hinge, but it is actually quite beefy. As you can see, it's got that. It's like I said, it's got that spring back, so it should last quite a long time. Of course, you can always cut this. Just have this lay in your box, and there is enough room in the case to store the torque wrench at any level. It also can click down, and if you wanted, you could also just rest it. It's best to click it down, though. Remember, this is a precision instrument. Just like you wouldn't toss around your calipers or your micrometers, dial indicators, etc. This is the same to an extent. It's not quite as sensitive, but still, keep care of it. Also, store these at a range between 20 and 50%. They will last the longest that way. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please leave a like and comment your thoughts, opinions, etc. If you pick up anything from OLSA, let me know. You can tag me on Instagram, etc. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take it easy.